Today we're going to be giving you a tour of one of the most unique tiny home types in the entire world. When I found this place online, I was like, book immediately. As you drive through the southern region of Puglia, you'll start to notice these stone structures. The plural name is trulli. They're usually white with a pointy cone-shaped roof. There's even an entire town filled with them, Alberobello, which is now a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its high concentration of trulli with over 1,500 of the stone structures. The 15th century architecture has turned into a tourism jackpot over the past several years, with vacationers like us flocking to the area and booking renovated trulli for a chance to stay in one of the most unique buildings in the world. All right, are you ready to go inside? This is so cool. Come on in. Welcome to one of the most beautiful places I think either one of us have ever stayed. It's complete with a kitchen, a gorgeous bathroom, which we'll get to in a minute, and look at this super comfortable bed. No detail was overlooked in the renovation of this trullo, from beautiful light fixtures throughout to stunning tile work. The most comfortable bed and even a place to hang clothes or put your suitcase, they've thought of it all. When we checked in, the owner was like, it's small, and we explained that we live in a camper van or an RV, and so this is actually quite large to us. It does have a full kitchen, so if you're staying here for a few days, you can make all of your meals. So here we have a refrigerator. He even put some juices and water in there for us. We got your sink. I think the pots and pans are down here. Yep. Everything to make a full meal. We have an induction stove here. You got your microwave, and all of your recycling, cleaning supplies, everything down there. And there are wine glasses and a wine opener, which we will definitely be enjoying later. Since this trullo has been converted into a gorgeous Airbnb, there's obviously masonry here now, and there's electricity, running water, all of that kind of good stuff that we enjoy today, but that was not always the case for the trullis. In fact, there's a pretty funny story about evading taxes when it came to the trullis. According to some, the trulli could be the earliest record of what we would consider modern-day tax evasion. When this region was under the rule of the King of Naples, it said that owners began building these easy-to-dismantle structures so that when the tax collectors showed up, they could pull the keystone, reducing the building to a pile of rubble. Therefore, no taxes were due since a complete structure was nowhere to be found. Once the king's inspectors left, the pile could easily be rebuilt. Even after the Puglia region was free from the reign of Naples, the style of architecture stuck around, but master trullaros, those specializing in building trulli, began using mortar and more permanent materials. Okay, let's check out the bathroom, because this is pretty awesome. Look at this shower. So much room, and it's got a rain shower head that comes down from the top of the trullo. Since this trullo has been in the family for hundreds of years, they know its history. And this particular one was used in the production of winemaking, which is really cool. And they kept the integrity of the interior of the structure. So everything that you see is original, except, adding a door for the bathroom. And the stone slab that makes up the bathroom sink is original as well. The owners have even added a washing machine so you can do laundry and a nice patio area to sit outside on good weather days. Located about 10 minutes from Alberobello, it's an ideal location for exploring this area. And if you'd like to step back in time with a modern twist and perhaps shower in your own trullo, we'll have a link to this specific one in the description below. To take a tour of the only two-story trullo in the world, plus much more from our visit to Alberobello, click the video on your screen now. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.